Hello guys, welcome into today's video. In today's video we'll be going to market scan for this week. So these are part of my last week setup on BTC. When I said BTC to 11,000, yeah, I said that last week to 11,000, and it's going there. You can check my last video when I analyzed BTC. I said I'm expecting BTC to 11,000, so I took my trade there. When I changed to phone view, you guys will see that I took the trade around here, so following it down that way. We're actually expecting it to move from here back up like this, but it didn't. Instead of just do some sort of consolidation, then after some accumulation, then we see the distribution. Same thing happened there again. Accumulation, then we see the distribution down. So my see sort again here, then continuation to the downside. That's on BTC. So we're still expecting it to move more that way. We're on gold too. We did go set up last week too that we're actually following. Yeah, this is awesome. So this is awesome. We took this trade here. That was last 4 weeks or so. So follow it up. We got it here. So we're expecting a buy again, but before a buy, we took a sell here. After we see this break here, we see a retest back to this point. So we actually said, okay, so move down. You can check our last video. You will see this drawing before it happens. You will see it there before it happens. So, and if you are follow this sell, this should be about 700 or 800 pips if I'm not mistaken when I took this trade. This is about, okay, 720 something pips. So that's on that. And gold has moved the way we expected it. The first year got into this level, you trace back this level here and this diagram here. You see that that's the same thing there. No, we didn't adjust anything, then it moved down again. You can check our last video to see that if it is right or not. Look at this level too. Look at it here. We've drawn this level, we've drawn this analysis before this whole market here happens. And after you see what happened next, it moved. So we're expecting a buy, though it has triggered our buy here already. After the sell down, it has triggered our buy here, and which has moved. If you check the pips as it has moved like that, it has moved about 200 pips or so. It has moved about 200 pips. Let me take it from where we took it, okay? Let me take it from where we took it, I mean, sorry. Okay, that's about 329 pips. So it has already moved about 329 pips for that's on good, and it's still going. So what just happened now is what I'm saying on gold right currently right now is what I'm saying currently now on gold is gold. Let's just see the way it reacts on this level first. But if eventually we see this level being broken, we will be getting out of our trade. But it has given us about 300 pips already. I'm seeing gold going down too, so continuation to the downside. It has actually triggered our entry here, move up about 300 pips. We're expecting it to give us about 1,700 pips. So normally I do tell you anything 100 pips plus, I'm always breaking even on it. So if you are here to break even on it, I don't know what you're doing. So what just happened is let's just wait now on this setup again for a good entry there. If possible, it react to that level there, then we're still following it. But I'm seeing gold breaking that level. I'm seeing it breaking this level to the downside. So that's just the update seeing this week. Last week was very white. That was Friday. So this week again like this is what I'm saying. So let's just see how it moves. Once this level is being broken down, then let's continue to the downside. So you that you've taken it before on Monday or I think last Friday, you'll have got some move on it, and so that's on it. So BTC, gold, then I think USD card too is one of our setup too. Okay, let's see USD card too. Okay, we're expecting USD card to move to this upside, which does this up here, which it does here. Then it's moved that back down, which is any one of this level here happens to be here or this place. And after that, what next do we see? It's moved back up. So let's just see, maybe we'll see another retracement on it before the continuation to the upside. But I'm seeing USD card going to the upside. That's what I'm saying on USD card. GBP going to the downside. It's still continuation of the formal analysis we have on GBP USD. Let me check. Do we have any GBP USD here? Okay, okay. If you all see this setup last 2 weeks, this setup here. So we're expecting it to get to this level down here, give us a Wyckoff distribution here. Then after that we see it move up. After that we see it move up. So exactly what we're expecting on it. So let's just see the way it will react in that place. It's still acting well as predicted though. You can see all this join here is actually acting the same way currently. Now let's just see after the whole move, and let's see the way it moves up. So we're expecting a buy sooner on it. We're expecting a buy sooner on it. This setup was 3 weeks ago. If you are yet to join the Telegram channel, I dropped this setup there too. Whereby when I after making the video available on the YouTube channel, I also did it on Telegram channel. So if you are yet to join us there, then you can do that to join us there. So which trade can I also check out this week? Let's check NAS and see what I'm okay. NAS is continuation to the downside. Okay, okay. So NAS is continuation to the downside. No entry yet, so I'll be talking much on that one. No entry yet. Let's wait till we see an entry there and we will follow. Okay, let me go to synthetic. It's been a while we okay. So let me go to synthetic. I will add my some trade we took on synthetic today. I will be adding everything now. So this is my setup. This is what I'm expecting on synthetic currently. This is on V10 currently. I think I have another one like okay after V10. Which one again? Which one again? This one. Okay, let's check crash 300. Let's check crash 300. Actually, I've dropped the setup here already. Like for instance now, these are today's setup. So these are today's setup. Volatility 50 still going well, still acting well. This jump then it us out in stop loss. We don't mind that. The stop loss was actually a tight stop loss, so we don't really mind that. This is jump 100. So we took the buy days on the Telegram channel. If you're yet to join, you can join to check it out. This is crash. This is crash 300. And after that we have the volatility 10 1 years here. So those are the 5 trade with 3 already going fine and 2 is yet to move. So I will go to my phone now to just to show you the trade we took today and how they move. So that will be after that. Let me just go to the phone and show you guys. Okay, the BTC I talked about the other time, you can see this is when I took the trade on my account here. So you can see the entry there. I said BTC is going to what 11,000. So though it's still in 18k currently, but I can assure you this thing is going to 11,000. So we took the reposition on it. So by now I'm expecting many traders that took this should be breaking even, closing some partial and break even on it. It's better you break even on it. So after taking some partial. So let's go to synthetic too. BTC was the only trade we took today. So let's go to synthetic. So this is all our trade on synthetic today. These are our trade on synthetic today. These are the one we just took this not quite long. So expecting a big sell on it. Expecting a big sell on this. So to the downside. But let's see the way it plays out. That's on this. That's on V10. So crash. Those setup I showed you the other time. So this is where I took them. You can see this here. You can see this here. So actually having so this one is today's trade to volatility 50. I showed you the other time in the group, in the signal group. So this is when we took the trade too. So we're following to the downside too. That's on that. Which one? Volatility. Okay. Then we took this one too today. We took it today and jump 100. So jump 100 is moving well. I showed you guys in the channel the other time. You can see that. So they are all going well. They are all going well. They are going well. Which one again? Which one again? Which one again? I think okay, volatility 51 is we've taken this one since last week before, and we had another entry today again. So this was our setup on Sunday. Sunday, I guess, yeah. So we followed it up. So we added another entry here again. Continuation. So it's going fine too. It's going fine. So that's all for today, guys. You can see all trading profits. You can see that all trading profit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 trades in profit. That's the power of graphics for you guys. That's the power of graphics for you guys. So let's see how it goes. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel. If this is the first time you're getting across to this channel and you see what we're doing here, you're interested in what we're doing here, forex trading and synthetic trading, stock market, whatever, just mention it. Anything trading, we're in here for you guys. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press the notification bell and also like the video. You can also give us comments on the video you actually want us to post. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Stay safe.